Most event teams measure success the same way: registrations, attendance, and maybe which accounts showed up. But here's the problem. Those numbers tell you what happened. They don't tell you what to do next. If you're on Zoom Webinars Plus or events, your analytics just got a whole lot better. First up, you can now see performance across your entire events program in one view. Instead of pulling reports event by event, you get the full picture: which events drove the most engagement, how your attendance rates trend over time, and where your registrants are dropping off in your funnel. This is how you spot what's working and double down on it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Every person who engages with your events now has a profile that tracks their activity across every event they attend: sessions joined, content watched, questions asked. So instead of handing sales a list of names, you're handing them a ranked list of your most engaged prospects with context on exactly what they care about. But your reps aren't selling to individuals, they're selling to buying teams. So we also aggregate engagement at the account level. See which companies are showing up repeatedly, how many people from each org are attending, and how engaged they are collectively. That target account that's been cold, if 5 people from their team just attended your last 3 webinars, that's a signal, and now you can see it. For teams running recurring webinars, office hours, weekly demos, anything like that, you can now click into any individual session and see exactly how it performed without filtering through massive data tables. Attendance, engagement, recording views, all in one panel. It's a small thing, but it saves a ton of time. Your audience tells you what they care about through the questions they ask. Now you can actually see every question, who asked it, and whether it was answered. Use this information to shape your follow-up content, inform your sales team, or figure out what topics to cover next. And everything you see here, charts, tables, attendee data, you can export directly to CSV or leverage one of our powerful integrations to get it into your BI tools or your CRM, wherever you might need it. That's the update. Less time pulling reports and more time acting on what your audience is telling you. If you want a deeper look at any of this, reach out to your account team or check out the links below. Have a great day.